Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google SketchUp version 8. First thing I'm going to do is go through the tools here and tell you a little bit about each and what they do, starting with our selector tool, which looks like a little mouse at the top here, and that's for selecting specific objects or things. Line tool, make a straight line. Rectangle tool allows us to actually make a rectangle or a square. Circle allows us to make circles. Arc tools for drawing curves. Next set of tool. Well, this is kind of like the miscellaneous. Making components, which allows us to group things together so they become all part of one object. Eraser tool allows us to erase things. Measure tool allows us to get a distance on objects. Paint bucket allows us to put colors or like texture maps on surfaces. Push pull tool allows us to extrude a surface, so it allows us to take something that we drew that was flat and make it into a three-dimensional object. Move tool allows us to move a whole object or just an edge or a point, which allows us to make some more complex objects fairly easy. Rotate tool allows us to rotate an object or a line in an object, again allowing us to make complex objects fairly quickly. Offset tool allows us to take a line and push it in over a specific distance. Now we got our view tools. So we got our orbit, which allows us to look around an object. Pan lets us shift the camera view left to right, up and down. Zoom, or zoom to extents, which shows us everything that we've drawn on our map. Add location is for like mapping whatever we draw to Google Maps, because Google SketchUp was originally drawn for Google Maps, so it allows us to put a location on it, because Google SketchUp was made to make like three-dimensional map objects for like Google Earth. Then again, add a new building, so this again is a tool for using it with Google Earth. Photo textures, which is really nice, allows us to put a photo on a side, so instead of drawing out all the windows or so forth for an entire building, we could take a picture of the side of the building and then just put a photo there. We could also preview Google Earth. These two are really cool, and this allows us to make like objects. Say if we were designing a kitchen and we wanted cabinets or like a kitchen table, we could actually search on there to get a kitchen table. Or if we made one and we wanted to share it with everyone else, that's for sharing models. That's the end of our introduction to Google SketchUp and their toolbar up here.